2-inch ball. On the 4-wheeler. But wait, it gets better. The 2-inch ball with the hole hitch, whatever you want to call it. It's out of 1/4-inch steel. So it's not going to move. I had issues because none of my lawnmowers actually travel at a good rate of speed. They're all stock speeds so far. So, to be able to haul that trailer anywhere at a good distance and speed, I needed this hole. But we use the 2-inch ball quite a bit. So, it's a little bit of a improvisation. It's perfect for the larger pins that we have. Put the tongue on there to pin in. You're all set to go. Took this thing home at 30 kilometers an hour. Off in the back trail pretty well. If you look at a different video, I'm going to feed the calves. It's that same trail. With a trailer. With a lawnmower on top of the trailer. Behind the 4-wheeler. It starts to rock a bit. But nothing broke. Got rid of all the sharp edges on it. Sucks when you smoke your shit off something. It's just another random video of what I've been doing. Hope you guys enjoy it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe.